Holy crap. Never get these on TV.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special alert for a severe thunderstorm approaching the Chicago metropolitan area. A storm located just southeast of Gary, Indiana, was seen moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. This thunderstorm is capable of producing up to 80 mile per hour wind gusts and up to golf ball-sized hail. Due to these hazards, citizens in Chicago are advised to seek shelter.
What the hell? Okay, that does not normally happen. Is the audio still there? Oh my god.
Civil emergency message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department. At 2:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, multiple explosions took place in downtown Seattle, and the Seattle Police Department is asking all residents within a 5-mile radius of the intersection at 6th Avenue and Union Street to remain indoors at this time. It is not known who is behind these explosions yet. Please remain vigilant in case more attacks take place. The following is an update to the civil emergency message that was sent out 2 hours ago. The attacks that took place at the intersection of 6th Avenue and Union Street have been confirmed to be by Russian operatives. In addition, more bombings have taken place, one of which was at the Seattle Space Needle. The building collapsed during the explosions, and citizens are advised to stay away from the Space Needle as well as the other following areas: Pier 66, Bell Street Park, and the Seattle Art Museum. Major bombings and other attacks also took place in the areas previously mentioned. A voluntary evacuation is now in effect for Seattle, but citizens are advised to remain vigilant in case a mandatory evacuation order is issued. Stay tuned to local media for further information.
We're detecting something coming to the west coast. It's foreign, might be... Just check this out. Okay, but if you're bringing me over for some shit from the ISS, you're probably gonna be fired. Sir, it's not shit. Then what is it? Oh, fuck.
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. At 6:43 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, several bombs went off in downtown San Francisco, killing 32 people and injuring 70. These attacks are believed to be related to the bombings in Seattle that took place 4 hours ago. Citizens are advised to remain vigilant and prepared in case an evacuation order is given. Please stay tuned to local media and news outlets for more information. This is an emergency action notification. Important details will follow. 6:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command detected the launch of 6 nuclear warheads which are believed to be headed for the following cities: Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Diego, Portland, Seattle, and Phoenix. Residents within a 200-mile radius of these areas should seek a fallout shelter immediately. If no such fallout shelter is available to you, take cover on an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, and avoid windows if possible. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions. It is highly radioactive and toxic to all living creatures. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. This is FTPC-1, serving the San Francisco metropolitan area. If this is not your area, please tune out to a station providing news and information for your area. More information will be provided later.
The following is an attack warning for Canada. All regular programming has been discontinued until further notice. The North American Aerospace Defense Command detected the launch of 6 ballistic missiles headed for 6 cities in the United States. In addition, several other nuclear missiles were detected, and they are heading in the direction of Canada. The exact targets of these missiles are unknown. Residents in British Columbia, Alberta, and Yukon should seek a fallout shelter immediately. Bring 14 days' worth of food, water, clothing, and medical supplies to your shelter, as well as a battery-powered radio. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Please stay tuned to a station providing news and information for your local area.
Why is Russia doing this? It just happened all of a sudden, like they've gone mad at something. Ever since that guy Volkov was elected, tensions rose. He hates everything that isn't Russian. Enough with the small talk! We need to discuss how to strike back. Well, we really can't do that without starting a World War III. Okay, then let's start World War III. It doesn't matter anymore. If we don't strike back with an effective method, then they'll just keep attacking us. Alright, let's ready the troops. Is everyone else in agreement? If so, say aye. 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 Then let's ready these f***ing troops.